Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at Bahia in beautiful Pensacola, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard the all-new 2018 Galeon 430 HTC. First thing you'll notice is the oversized and reinforced bow railing, large forward sun pad seating area, recessed windlass with foot controls, and a very large frameless windshield. As we move around to the back of the boat, you're going to notice that the boat has an expansive cockpit seating area as well as a large swim platform covered in beautiful teak. Large sliding glass doors in the rear of the Salon, which open up the Salon for a nice light airy feeling. Boarding is extremely easy with the expansive swim platform. As we come aboard, you'll notice very little elevation change between the swim platform and the cockpit, making the boat very easy to board. You'll also notice two companionways leading to the bow of the boat with grab handles and railing the whole way up. Large cocktail table. And that large wraparound couch in the rear of the cockpit. As we come into the Salon, you'll see the large dinette / seating area on the starboard of the boat. And a second additional seating area to the port with a hideaway LED television. You'll notice the gorgeous woodworking and the micro suede covering on the walls. The galley is up in this floor plan, so whoever's fixing dinner or fixing hors d'oeuvres is not left out of the conversation. And then we have a large helm area with Raymarine electronics, bow thruster, and electronic Volvo throttles. Seating for two at the helm. As we come forward, we go down another companionway, and this vessel has not one, not two, but 3 staterooms, as well as 2 heads. As we come down, to the starboard is our guest day head, which is a vessel sink, and a large wet bath. As we look forward, we have our master stateroom that features tons of storage with lots of hanging locker space. And its own private head with stand-up shower and vessel sink. Looking back, on the port side of the boat, we have a queen size second seating or sleeping area, stateroom, and then a double stateroom that can also be combined into a queen size stateroom. Some of the things to mention on the Galeon yacht are their solid wood construction on all their interior pieces and their exceptional seakeeping ability for the 40 to 45 foot class sport cruiser. Come by MarineMax at Bahia in Pensacola, Florida and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned yachts.